In 2016, Hyperledger Iroha was born. Since then, we've used it to design the world's first in-production central bank payment system using blockchain technology, an on-campus cashless payments platform that's simplifying life for students and teachers, a decentralized digital asset depository built on the blockchain, and a decentralized world economic system that reimagines how new ideas can be sustainably brought to the global market. Let's take a closer look at some of the projects Soramitsu has built on Hyperledger Iroha. One of the most exciting projects built on Hyperledger Iroha is Project Bakong, the world's first fully inclusive central bank-backed mobile retail payment system. Designed and developed in collaboration with the National Bank of Cambodia, Bakong is a blockchain-based central bank digital payment system that allows you to send and receive money, pay merchants, and easily keep track of your transactions, even if you don't have a bank account. The mobile digital payment system is a secure alternative to paper banknotes, designed to increase financial inclusion and payments efficiency without requiring changes to monetary policy or the structure of the banking system. Bakong makes it easy for users and merchants to cash in and cash out, with over a dozen of the top Cambodian banks. No more waiting lines. There are already well over 10,000 Bakong users, and the customer base is growing daily. The future of mobile payments is here, Bakong. Based on Hyperledger Iroha blockchain technology, Biako provides a mobile payment solution for universities and localities that provides secure and reliable cashless payments. Developed by Soramitsu, Biako is the first local digital coin originally created for the University of Aizu in the Fukushima Prefecture of Japan. With Biako, you can add digital money to your account, pay for local goods and services using your digital wallet, split the bill at university cafes and campus shops, and send or receive money with the lowest possible fees. Join the future of cashless payments with Biako. Another project using Iroha is D3 Ledger. D3 provides post-trade services and supports all types of operations with digital assets. Some use cases for D3 include custodial services for the safekeeping of digital assets, settlement and clearing services of OTC and exchange trades, tokenization solutions for classic asset types like commodities, and private blockchain solutions for your organization or specific market, to name a few. Let's think together about the ways D3 Ledger can help your organization. Built by Soramitsu on top of Hyperledger Iroha, Sora provides a decentralized global economic system for the empowerment of people and innovative projects worldwide. In the Sora ecosystem, creatives and entrepreneurs propose new goods and services to the Sora community. The community decides which goods and services to empower by allocating newly created XOR tokens through transparent voting on the blockchain within the Sora app. When you vote on a project, you're voting to mint new XOR tokens and give them to the producers. If the project you voted for passes, you also get some of the newly minted XOR as a reward for yourself. The economy of everything is here, Sora. Hyperledger Iroha is a powerful, reliable, universal private blockchain that allows you to easily and securely build solutions for your organization's needs. In addition to the projects we've outlined, Hyperledger Iroha can support a wide array of business cases, such as advanced Know Your Customer identity solutions, healthcare database systems, tokenization platforms, and food supply chain systems, to name a few. The possibilities are endless. Our goal is to help build the most reliable and fastest blockchain platform for projects that will improve the lives of people all around the world. If you are interested in working with Hyperledger Iroha, we encourage you to visit our website to learn more. And please do not hesitate